Hi, good morning. Here's our new addition to the farm. Our Massy Ferguson. Hydraulics, lights, etc. So, if you want a bit of more a review on her, let's see her in action. Give me a thumbs up and a subscribe and like, and we'll get her down the farm shortly. Good morning. Hiya Murphy. Here boy. You okay? Stop. Stop clawing the floor. Come on. And let's go and see what the others. Murphy. Morning, cheapies. Having a bit of mineral lick. And Bono having a little bit of a... Hi, Cloud. You okay? And I expect Mummy might bring you some food. So today we're taking some of this rubbish down to the local tip, get rid of it. Feed bags mainly, just to tidy up the farm a bit, as it's, you know, winter's here now. So yeah, get rid of all the rubbish so we can get the grass cut and everything and tidy it all up. Some of our lovely sawyers having a feed in the sun. Looks like Bono's having his over in the sunshine as well. There's one down there hiding behind the tree. That's one discovery full of general waste bags. Still got a couple in there to sort out, and that dumpy bag there to go. But then we can move this trailer, get this area tidied up. It's a bit awkward for you to see the sheep, I think, with the sun behind me, which I can't really do a lot about. But they're all healthy boys and girls. Come on, come on, come on. They're more interested in eating their food. And probably some of them are still hiding underneath the trailer, just to keep out the rain, but I don't think we're going to have any today. It's a good sunny day today. Needs to dry up this area where Bono keeps on wallowing in the mud. Murphy's finished his food. Likes his little bit of food, and then goes munching away on his grass again. He seems happy enough. Little lamb running off to the others, trying to find where they are. So yeah, that's probably going to be it for today. Might be a bit more later. Just need to sort things out, but we haven't been broken into again, so that's one positive for today. Catch you all later. Excuse the sun. This bit of land we have here, we're not sure what to do with it. Last season we cut it for hay. I don't know whether to put some fruit trees in, i.e. plums, apples, cherry, etc. Give us your opinion, see what you think. Maybe we might do a poll on it, see what everyone thinks. Okay, cheers, bye.